This free website will let you set it up in less than 60 seconds. Close your laptop and collect your earnings again and again on complete autopilot. It's the 21st century and you no longer need to do hard physical jobs to get yourself some extra money. In fact, there's a thing called the internet, which can help you make a lot more money by working a lot less. And while some people are taking advantage of it, some people are still being skeptical and they're not even trying. So, in this video, I want to explain to you step by step how you can leverage this new 2021 strategy to make yourself some money completely passively. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to explain you everything step by step. So for step number one, come over to snappa.com. This is a platform where you can create different designs from done for you templates and you can do it for absolutely free. As you can see, they have been featured in HubSpot, Shopify, Forbes, Buffer, and SEMrush. So it's a big company to work with. But don't worry, you will not have to pay for anything here. This is all absolutely free and it's going to help you in many different ways. But I'm gonna show you how we will be using it. So for step number one, come over to snappa.com and click on Get Started for free. So you can sign up and register for free, creating absolutely free account in less than 60 seconds. Step number two, now, once you have signed up for absolutely free, you will be able to browse all of these different templates. As you can see, you have social media posts like Facebook posts, Twitter, YouTube thumbnails, blogging infographics, and so much more. Now, what we will be focusing on is either Facebook post or Instagram posts. You can decide which one of these you want to pick, but they're pretty much the same. Now, do not worry. You will not have to post anything on Facebook. You will not have to post anything on Instagram. You don't need any followers for this, and it's all going to be really simple and completely beginner friendly. Because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get it all done for you and how you can actually set it up in complete autopilot. So I'll just go with Facebook post and I'll click on it. Now that's gonna take us over to this page where you can browse all of these different templates. Each of these templates are absolutely free and you can customize them as you prefer. You can change colors, size of the text, fonts, background images, and literally everything. You can customize them as you prefer, so just leave it like that. And we will proceed to step number three and then we will get back to this page. First step number three, go over to yazing.com. This is a place where you can actually make money by promoting someone else's products. So it's an affiliate marketplace both for the CPA and affiliate marketplace where we can browse all of the different offers. You can grab your affiliate link or your CPA link, you share it with other people, and whenever someone takes action, you will earn a commission from that. So I'm going to show you exactly how it works. But first of all, you will need to join Yazing by clicking on the Join Now button right here. Now you will need to either manually sign up to this platform or just join with Facebook, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires just one click of a button. Once you're signed over for absolutely free, this is how it's going to look like. Now you'll be able to browse all of these different offers. And the thing with Yazing is that you don't have to wait to get approved for any of these offers. You just need to click promote to earn and that's immediately going to give you your special affiliate link. Now as you can see, we can promote different offers that are going to pay us different amount of money. This is like 40% cash reward, 5% cash reward. This wine.com has an offer of $1,000 worth. We can get a $50 for each person we refer, which is really low. So I recommend you to focus on some offers that are paying you more money so you can actually earn more money easier. So for example, if we promote BlockFi, we can get up to $500 cash reward for each person that we refer to. $500 for a single person, you refer to 10 people, that's up to $5,000. You refer 100 people, it's up to $50,000. And that's just a lot of money that you can potentially earn with BlockFi. Now, you have all these different offers. It will pay you, for example, $65 or $10 for each person you refer. $10 or $15 per person, and so on and so forth. I'm gonna go with BlockFi for now. So click promote to earn, and that's going to give you my special affiliate link, and I can share with you our people. So here's what's going to pop up your official affiliate link, which you can just copy by clicking on this icon right here. And before I show you how to actually set it up in complete Autopilot and earn those commissions, I want to show you how you can actually see your earnings on Yazing, and how you can track your earnings, and how you can withdraw your money. So just log into Yazing, and here's going to be your name and then your account. You will have to click on this, and you can go through the dashboard right here. That's gonna show you how much money you actually made with Yazing, how much you have in pending, and how much money you have actually withdrawn from this website. And to cash out, you just need to edit profile right here. Then go to account details, and here type in your email address, which is used for payouts. So make sure to use your own email address right here and select how you want to actually get paid. Anyways, now that you have grabbed your affiliate link from Yazing, you will have to go back to Snappa so you can create a simple design. Now, as I said, you can go through all of these different templates and choose the one you like. Let's say, for instance, I want this one. I would just need to click on it, and I can start the customizing as soon as it loads. Obviously, but I can change this image, I can change this text, I can just double click on it, and I can say, for example, best trading platform or something like that, because I'm promoting Blog, by which is a trading platform and a platform where people can invest money, as you saw. I will also type in get 8.6% interest rate on your investments. And I can also think of other amazing stuff from the sales page and BlockFi. I will obviously make it a little bit smaller so you can just play around with different designs. And you can see what works the best for you until you create a nice looking design with Snappa. So you can of course remove stuff as well. You can change colors, as I said. So just click here if you want to change the color. I will, for example, change this image right here. So here in the left hand side, I can choose something different. So for instance, type in crypto. Let's say if they have some crypto images. Let's take, for example, use this one. This is a really good one. This is how it's going to look like. You can of course put in a little bit more time and effort crafting your design. And once you're done, I want you to download this design by clicking on the download button right here. Just make sure it has some nice call to action so people will actually click on your affiliate link. And then I'm gonna show you how you can set it up on an autopilot and where do you actually get a traffic on complete autopilot. But for now, just download this image to your computer. I will download it as a high resolution PNG file. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. And now the last thing which you will need to complete in order to start getting traffic so you can actually make money for the offer that we're promoting. It's up to $500 per person. And just imagine referring 100 people for your referral link and potentially getting like 10 signups. That's a lot of money. So the traffic source which we will be using is from ad clerks. Now you have all these different categories. Like you can promote anything from the affiliate, SEO and marketing offers, beauty and fashion, all the way to shopping, sports and travel, technology, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of different stuff which you can promote with adclerks.com. Now, since I will be promoting BlockFi, which is in business and finance and also the cryptocurrency space, I will select one of these. So let's first all go with cryptocurrency. Now that's gonna give me all of these different blogs where I can advertise at a really cheap price. You can see that some of these millions of monthly visitors, these are millions of targeted people who will potentially sign up through my link, and I just need a person to make $500. And it's going to take you way less than a single hour to set it up. So all you have to do is just select the website where you want to advertise, click on it, click add to the image that will actually be your advertisement, and give them your Yazing referral link. So tell them to send people to that referral link. It's simple as that. It's literally less than 5 minutes of work. It's not just random traffic. In reality, this is a lot less than 60 minutes of work. I mean, all you have to do is grab some offer from Yazing, which, as you can see right here, takes less than 10 seconds. You copy your referral link, you go over to Snappa, you create a simple design, which is another like 5 minutes of work to create, a really good one. You download it over to your computer, you go over to Ad Clerks, you find the right platform to promote the affiliate offer, you place an order, which also takes less than 5 minutes of work. I think it's less than 2 minutes of work in total. That's like 10 to 15 minutes of work, and you stand a good chance of making some decent amount of money online. I really hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.